How to fix SuperBox missing App Store. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide. The first thing that I suggest doing is checking if it's just hidden. Sometimes the App Store is disabled or hidden. You want to go to Settings, then go to Apps, System Apps, and you will look for App Store or Google Play Store. And if you see Enable, you just want to click on it. The second tip that I can give you is restarting the SuperBox. It is classic but powerful. You want to unplug the SuperBox, wait 30 seconds, and then plug it back in, and you will check the home screen again, and your App Store should work. The third method will be checking your internet connection. If you don't have an internet connection, you won't see the store. You want to go to Settings, then Network, and make sure Wi-Fi or Ethernet is connected, and you can try opening YouTube to confirm. The fourth method will be making sure you're logged into Google. If you don't have a Google account, then you won't see the Play Store. Again, you want to go into Settings, then Accounts, then Google, and sign in or re-sign in. The fifth step or method will be clearing the App Store cache if it exists. If your Play Store shows but won't open, you want to click on Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, and there you will clear the cache and restart. The sixth step, which is going to be a little bit more advanced, is going to be if it's completely gone, you will use the downloader or browser, and you can download the Google Play Store, and then all you need to do is reinstall it. Now the very last method will be factory resetting, which is going to be your last resort. If nothing else works, then you will go into Settings, Backup and Reset, and you will factory restore your SuperBox, and you will need to set it up again from scratch, so make sure you pay attention to that. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.